Guys, here we are at Walmart. Yeah, I gotta go look for some paint for the sign. So, I just thought I would bring you guys along for the journey. We're inside on the island. So we're going into Walmart, you guys. And we're here at the paint. Finish up the sign. We will pick you guys up. We are back here in the paint area. So we'll pick you up in a little bit. How about that? Shalom. Shalom family, and hello. We are out here and I am going to attempt to make the sign. So what I have here, and I hope you guys can see, is my tool set that I will be doing a review on. This is the tool set. Today, I'm going to be doing a little quick review on this right here. It's just a little drill. The set, just a minute. So this is the set. It's a 4-piece set. It's kind of like a set for a DIYer, maybe for a senior. It's a little bit, I don't know, 5 pounds or so, 3 to 5 pounds. It probably says it on the box, the weight capacity. I'm not sure, but that's what I got it for. I may do some DIYs and use it for some things over on the land. I hope I'll be able to save up enough money for maybe a higher, what do they call it? Bites or strength. I'm going to just say the strength. Power. A more powerful drill. But right now, this is the set. It's a 4-piece set. About $120, I think it was. On Amazon. I'll put the link down. It's a little windy. I hope that phone doesn't go down, but that's what I'm going to be doing the review on. The bag was about $50, maybe $40 or $50, and I got it as well on Amazon. It's just a little cute bag. It doesn't really hold very much. It's got a vinyl bottom, a little vinyl polyurethane bottom to it. But this drill, so this drill right here, it is has a battery in it, and the battery, it just comes out. Pop that down and it releases easily. It's so easy to put it back in. It has little prongs and it has little indentions in there. You can line it up. So easy to insert. Look, I don't even gotta look. The battery's back in. So box blew down because it's windy. Hope the phone doesn't go. It's about to the drill has a safety mechanism here, so it only engages if you push this right here. The safety mechanism You got to push this this right here, and this button right here. If you don't push this button, this will not engage the drill. The button is on both sides. So whichever is comfortable for you to use. This is the handle, and I guess this is just for more stability right here when you're cutting. And I mean, it's a nice enough little drill for you to get the feel of using a power tool. This releases this cap. It's a safety gauge under the bottom, and I find so far you don't really have to use it until you're changing the blade. So getting to changing the blade, you have to, this is a pin right here. You have to use this pin. It pulls out, and that's why I'm saying it's basically senior friendly. I'm 63. I'm about to use it. So you take the pin and you put the pin in here to release or change the blade. There's a little button here that you have to push and hold in order to take lock the little cylinder here. So you have to push this in. I just hold it toward me, and you take the key and you take the key. My fingers. You take the key and you engage it here. Right here, it'll just lock in, and you loosen it. Lefty, loosey. So lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. So if this is facing you and this blade facing out, then you lefty, loosey like you would on anything. Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty, righty, right? That's how I remember. So, again, put it in here. Oh, and make sure that you are pushing this thing. This is kind of weird to me, to push this down as you are. See, I heard it click. Now you can, I think, well, that's righty. Lefty, loosey. You gotta know your left and your right. So that's to the left. My left is probably your right, but my left. And now the pin is coming out. So the pin comes on out, and that's a little pin. Oh, I dropped it, you guys. Woo! See? Windy. Windy. So that's the pin right there. And this is the blade. So the blade just slips right out. Because I'm trying to do it out here, you know, guys. But it just kind of slips out. That up. Hold it up, and you just push it forward. Not so easily, huh? Push it forward, and it should slide out. Probably should have on gloves, which I never be wearing the gloves. So you gotta take this out. I may do that part inside, because you gotta take this out. Then there's a pin that is behind it. So the keeps trying to fall because it's breezy. But again, you put it back in, because I'm excited to get to my sign, and this keeps wanting to fall. So this part I'll have to show you guys after I cut the piece. But I'm about to put it back in. Righty, tighty-righty. And then you lock it. Tighty-righty. In order to lock it, I have to push this down right here. So I have to push that button, that black on top, down. The blade is moving. I hope I can do it with one hand. So I have to push this thing down. And there it is. I heard it click. Might have heard it too. Want to make sure it's tight. Won't tighten anymore. And let's see, because you have to hold the button and push. So we're ready to cut, I think. Okay, and I'm going to cut the boards for my sign. I'm going to come around here. And I've not even set up the position for me to cut that board. So this is not going to be safe, you guys. I know. But I don't have anything to position my boards for my cut. I don't have a horse. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you first of all to put the pin back in. The pin back in the hole right here. And it just lines up and simply pushes in. So you can have it in place. I like to line it up so it lays against this. It's right now sticking out. So I'm going to re-put it in this way. And it, I guess probably how it goes because it's laying flat. I'm going to, first of all, I'm so excited to make this sign. Welcome to Deborah's home, Dream Homestead. I'm doing this sign, y'all. I don't think I have all the right boards, but first of all, I'm going to use this grill right here. I'm going to use the grill, and I'm going to use this crate. Put them out like they're a horse. I don't know. And hopefully it'll be stable enough. My board is this 2x I don't know. That's 6. 2x6. I need a 2x8. That's what I wanted. I don't have a 2x8, and I'm excited to make the board. I want to sweep it down. I've got it before the ants get on it. But I'm so excited to do this sign, y'all. Or I'm excited to cut with the drill. But either way, excitement's in the air, and I have it. So I'm going out. Maybe I can get a 2x8 later. It's windy again. It's whistling. The wind is whistling. So, and get a 2x8 because I really want the spacing for the welcome. The welcome is not going to fit in this area. So the welcome is about 4 inches high, I think. So I need about, 2 on each side for it to pop. But I think I can put it together before I get that board. I was gonna put 2 of these together, but I don't think I want that look. And then I was going to use some glue and maybe use these boards, which I still might cut because it's one under there that's not too bad looking. But I don't know. Right now I'm going to cut my legs and I'm going to use I kind of wanted to use that 1x1. What would that be? A 1x. See that little board right there, right here. I was thinking about using this board, and that's a 1, I think, by 1. See where Sugar is. Okay, Sugar Butt's over there. So I should have made the decision. I think what I'm gonna do is just use this one and box it all the way around with this inch. So I think I need a I was gonna cut mine, I think 40 inches, because I don't know why they made it 39. Probably with the top makes it 40, so I'll go with the 39 that the dimensions they gave me. And yeah, so I'll be back when it's time to cut, you guys.